Hello everyone! What is the average salary of a cleaner in Finland? The estimated average annual gross salary is $27,400. After tax, the average net salary is $21,098 per year. That is roughly $1,758 per month. In Helsinki, the average annual gross salary is higher at $29,592. The average net salary there is $22,786 yearly, or about $1,899 each month. This difference can come from higher city pay and different job opportunities. Experience, workplace, and shift patterns may also affect a cleaner's income. A cleaner in a hotel, office, or industrial site may earn different pay. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.